Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do mid-month reading for the month of September for the fire sign Sagittarius. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Sagittarius, your mid-month reading. So your person feelings towards you. Your person feelings this side and your feelings this side. Okay, let's see here your feelings towards your person Sagittarius. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. Okay, later we see mutual energy. So first we see your person feelings towards you here. 10 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, Temperance, wow, Lovers. And your feelings, Justice, 8 of Pentacles, 2 of Swords, Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, your person feelings towards you, definitely they want stability in this connection. They want to offer stability to this connection, and they love you. The Lovers card here, definitely they love you. And 3 of Pentacles, they want to work on this relationship. They want to take this relationship to next level, but patience and balance is needed in this connection. Definitely your person is patiently waiting for you. I think there is some waiting is here. Balance, so things need to be balanced. Definitely your person thinking about you right now. They want to offer stability and they want you because they love you and they want to work on this relationship. These are their feelings. And your feelings towards your person, yeah, you also want reconciliation. If there is separation between both of you, you also want to work on this relationship instead of you work on yourself right now, because 8 of Pentacles is I think you are working on yourself, but you want this connection too. Yeah, 2 of Swords, I think you are at some crossroads. Queen of Pentacles, yeah, you are very giving person, you are very loving person, you are very sharing person, you share everything to your person. So these are your feelings towards your person. Definitely you also want reconciliation with your person, and you also want to work on this relationship. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. Sagittarius, 7 of Pentacles, waiting, yeah. Wow, Ace of Swords, new beginning, truth coming out, communication. If you are not in communication, definitely there will be a chance for communication in the near future. And yes, you both want new beginning and you both are waiting for each other. Definitely mutual energy, 7 of Pentacles and Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords. Definitely you both are waiting for each other but not taking any step. So one of you have to take step to forward to take this relationship to next level, because Ace of Swords, you both want new beginning with each other. So let's see more about Sagittarius. Wow, 4 of Wands. Yeah, you both could be twin flames also. 11 and 11, you want happiness with this person. From your person's side, the Empress. Yeah, they see you like you Empress and they stand by their power. Yeah, under the deck, Page of Cups. I think you some communication, some messages are coming in your way. Sagittarius, wow, Ace of Wands, lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Under the deck, Knight of Wands. Yeah, they are very passionate about you, Sagittarius. Hermit. Yeah, they're spiritually awakening about this connection. They are seeing things very clearly. Yeah, under the deck again, 8 of Wands. Definitely communication. I think communication is the key. Definitely your person want to communicate you. I think you both will communicate in the near future, in the month of September. Definitely you both will reunite even if you are separated. Definitely there will be a chance for new beginning between both of you, because the Lovers is here. Your person loves you and you also want to work on this relationship. I think your person want to offer stability this time and they want to work on this relationship, Sagittarius. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.